English is subjective? No? What is English? What you know about English? What is English? I said, if you are giving reply in Kannada also fine. I don't have any problem. Shrikant.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what is English?
I don't know.
Sorry? Yeah, Rohit. Yes, what is English?
I don't know, ma'am.
You don't know. You don't know ABCD? You don't know ABCD? Rohit,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me ABCD up to Z. Tell me ABCD. You know, right? ABCD. Up to Z. Who will tell? Who will tell ABCD?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Yes, Shrikant knows A to Z. Means he knows English. Who said you don't know English? ABCD is English only, no? Then who knows ABCD? Rohit, you don't know ABCD? Rohit,
Yes, miss.
you don't know ABCD? You don't know ABCD? See, one thing is, whoever knows ABCD, they know English. Only they don't know how to frame those ABCD. That's it. See, if you know in Kannada like that, so you will be knowing Kannada. The same in English also. It is having only 26 letters. If you know those alphabets A to Z, then you know English. The only thing is you will have to frame those letters. That's it. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
That is only no English.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any other letters in English? Like any different letters apart from A to Z? Apart from A to Z, is there any letters in English?
ಯಪ್ಪ ABCD ಹೇಳೋಣ ಹೇಳ್ರು.
Sorry? What you said?
Miss Prince.
Yes, the English is nothing but only A to Z. We'll just frame those A to Z. Then we'll talk. Whatever I am talking within A to Z only. So only with those 26 letters I am talking. So if I know 26 letters, I know English. I don't need to think that I don't know English. If I know 26 letters, I know English. I have to just frame those 26 letters. Yes, right? Is there any difficulty?
No, ma'am.
No, not at all. So only one thing is we have to frame those letters. We'll frame that. We'll learn how to frame those letters. That's it. We'll learn English. Why we have to think that if we, by knowing letters also, and you are saying that I don't know English. Now tell me, what is English? What you understood? What is English? You can tell in Kannada. No problem. The thing is, you have to talk. That's it. What is English? talk in Kannada. I don't have any problem. Yes, Shrikant, yes. Tell in Kannada, no problem.
ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಬೇಕಾಕತ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಿತ್ತಂದ್ರು ಬರೀ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ನಾಗ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತ ಹೊರ ರಾಜ್ಯಗಳು ಅಂದ್ರ ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕಾದ್ರೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಬೇಕಾಕತ್ರಿ
ಹಾ ಎಸ್
ಏನಾರ ನಾವು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಹಚ್ಚತ್ನಂದ್ರಿ ಬರೀ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಬೇಕಾಕತ್ರಿ
ಹಾ
ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ನಾವ್ ಈಗ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ತನ್ನ ಆಡು ಭಾಷೆ ಅಲ್ರಿ ಅದ ಮಾತೃಭಾಷೆ ತರನ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗತೈತ್ರಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್
ಓಕೆ ಎಸ್ ಎಸ್
ಮಿಸ್ ನಾವೀಗ ಎಲ್ರೇ ಜಾಬ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋದ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಬೇಕ್ರಿ
ಎಸ್ of course if you want job you have to learn English yes next you are saying what is the importance of English. Yes, tell that only. Where there is a need then we can get that. Means if you know what is the use of English and what is the importance of English, then you will try to get that. So if you don't know why the English is and why you use and what is the use of that, what is the need of learning that? First, for that only you have to understand what is the use of English and what is the need of English and what is English. So that is what the reason I asked you. Then Aarti has replied and Shrikant said, remaining people, what is English and why we need English? What is the importance of English? I am waiting for your replies. Because you have to talk more than me. Then only you will get it. If I talk daily, how you will get English? I will get more English.
ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ
Sorry? Sorry? Repeat once again. Yes, Shrikant. Repeat once again. No problem. I don't tell anything. I don't scold you. See, how much you will talk, you will get that. How much I will talk, I will get that. Daily, if I talk, I will only get. How you will get? In my class, I want everybody to talk. Yes.
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಐ ಲರ್ನ್ ಟು
Yes, Shrikant. Tell, you were saying something.
ಐ ಲರ್ನ್ ಟು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್
Yeah, very good. You're talking English. And who else will talk? Apart from Shrikant, who knows English here? Who knows English? That means that is nothing but A to Z. Who knows?
ಹಲೋ ಮಿಸ್
Yes, Shrikant.
ಮಿಸ್ ನನಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬರ್ತೈತ್ರಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ
That is good. Everybody will get from small things only. See, if you learn this much, by talking, you will get this much. Like that, you will be getting. See, everything. First, you don't know Kannada also. When you took birth, you don't know Kannada also. By listening everybody surrounding you while talking, you have observed that and you have listened that and you are talking Kannada now. The same, English also same, that is also language. How Kannada is, English also the same language. Have you observed the Kannada surrounding you and you listened that, you understood that and you are talking now. The same English also, you just listen that and understand and then tomorrow you will talk. This is also language, that is also
Yeah, you
language.
are right, ma'am.
What is the problem in that?
No problem, ma'am.
Yes, no problem. In America and everything, even beggars are talking in English. How? They didn't go school and they didn't they didn't listen any lessons. They didn't write any exams. But how they are talking in English? In their surroundings, they are talking in English. They have listened that and they are talking now. So English, don't treat English as subject. Treat English as a language. English is a language. How the other languages are, how Urdu we will be talking, how Hindi we will be talking, the same. How Kannada will be talking, the same English also one language. First, we have to understand the basics of that English. So then we can able to talk and we can able to read and we can able to understand everything. Okay? Okay?
Okay, miss.
Okay.
Okay, miss.
So
Okay, miss.
very good. Everybody is giving answer now. I like this. Everybody have to talk now. See, at the starting of the class, you were getting shy to talk. Now everybody is giving reply. Okay, miss. Okay, miss. Okay, miss. So you are talking in English with me, right? The same will learn little English, and will be very perfect in English. Daily we'll learn this much only this much. We don't need to learn much. We'll learn this much, and like that we'll learn every day. We should not leave, and we have to learn every day. We'll get easily. It is not at all difficult. I am saying no. It is not at all difficult. By seeing me, you can understand. I'll make everybody of you to talk in English. You want to talk English or no?
Yes, ma, I talk to English.
Yes, Srikanth want to talk in English. Who else want to talk in English?
Yes, miss, I talk to English.
Preetham, you like to talk in English. Yes, who else want to talk in English? Who likes English?
I like English. I talk English, ma'am.
Very good Srikanth. Then who else? Then I'll support Srikanth. I am saying you. So I'll teach you English. You will be talking in English. That is my responsibility. Because you are having interest. Interest is everything first. First, if we have interest to learn something, definitely we'll learn that. You don't know, as when you were kid, you don't know how to play. Okay. So you are not knowing anything how to play. By seeing your friends or by seeing your brothers or by seeing your sisters, you have learned how to play. First you did mistakes. When you play, you did mistakes. Later you became perfect in that game. The same. First you don't know how to talk. You will try. You will get first. The thing is, you should have interest. If you have interest, you will keep interest on that and you will learn. If you don't have interest, you can't learn anything. For everything, interest is mandatory. Understood? learn. Who is having interest?
Me interest, ma'am.
You are interested. I am interested. Shrikant, tell me. I am interested, madam.
I am interested, ma'am.
Very good. Next. Only Shrikant is interested. Nobody is interested in English. You hate English. You hate English. Remaining people
I
hate.
understood, miss.
Yes, Preetham, you also like English. Okay.
I'm interested, miss.
Yes, you are interested, right? Now I am giving you assignment. Okay.
I am interested.
Very good. So now I am getting responses from you all. So today I am giving you assignment, and whoever didn't join in the class also, tell to them also. The assignment is, today you have to write about yourself. You can learn from anywhere. You can watch the videos. You can search in Google. Okay. You have to write about yourself. Self-introduction. Okay. What is that?
Yes, miss.
What is that?
Biodata.
Biodata. Okay. Biodata. Okay, that. So there is a lot of difference between biodata and self-introduction. Biodata is everything about your officials. Self-introduction is not official. Self-introduction is like what you like to eat, what you like to play. Everything comes under self-introduction. Write about yourself. Okay. Biodata is like your name, your father name, your village, and your education qualification. These kind of things comes under biodata. When it comes to self-introduction, how you will tell about yourself to your friends? You will talk about yourself to your friends, no? Yesterday I went there, I watched that, I like that, I love to eat this. So these kind of things. It is comes under self-introduction. So I want about yourself. So the assignment is, today I am giving you the assignment is, so everybody you have to write about yourself. You have to keep the heading as self-introduction. Okay, just keep the heading as self-introduction and write everything about you. Your name, okay, your name, place, family, your favorite things. Favorite things are nothing but food, game, movie, favorite person, all this. Okay, today the assignment is, you have to write about yourself. Self-introduction is your assignment. You have to keep the heading as self-introduction, and you have to write in that, at least I want 2 pages. From everybody I want 2 pages. You can write anything, only in English. You can search in Google, you can search in YouTube, you can watch the videos, however may be, but I want about yourself. I'll give just example of mine. See, my name is Reshma and I am from Andhra Pradesh. So I have done my graduation. So I have joined as a teacher in Sai Niketan Public School. I love to teach, and I love to eat mangoes. I like to play chess, and I love my family. I like to go the trips. I enjoy the journeys. So this is all about myself. The same you have to write about yourself. I want all of your wishes. Okay. So this is what the assignment. Are you understood?
Ma'am? Understood, ma'am.
Very
Ma'am,
good.
This is assignment, ma'am.
Yes. Any doubts?
This is assignment, ma'am.
Yes, it is assignment. Tomorrow you have to send me. Everybody, whoever joined the class, whoever didn't join the class, inform to them also. Okay? And any doubts in this? Any doubts? Or you want to ask me anything?
No, ma'am.
If you, while doing the assignment, if you have any doubts, you just call me, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, you have to complete this assignment and you have to submit this by tomorrow, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. This is what the assignment, and I want this assignment tomorrow. I hope everybody will complete this assignment, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah,
Okay, miss.
very good. Hope you understood everything, and from next day onwards we'll start the classes, and this is what the introduction class. Don't feel hesitation to ask anything. You just feel free. Don't get scared. I don't scold. Whatever you have doubts, just ask me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay then. We'll meet in the next class. Bye.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.